Today I'm hosting a dog show. You can see there's one dog, there's two dogs. Alright? Today I will be hosting a dog show. Alright, let's start. Daisy, Bo, get complicated, and we're gonna start this. Ready, set, go. No, but what? Alright, we gotta click that. And let's bounce. Bo went for it, Daisy didn't. Blah, 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 blah. Alright. Alright. Bo went for it, Daisy didn't. Alright. So we know that. Alright, yeah. You're going to see my treat throwing right at Bo. And let me let Daisy see it. Can you see? That's the treat. It's Scooby-Doo snacks, you can see. Scooby-Doo. And gonna watch that treat go. So I just clicked it with this. Alright. I'm gonna break it in half. You can see I have my treat, and I'm trying to break it in half, y'all. Daisy! I'm gonna just use a bone that looks like this time. And I'm gonna break it. Daisy! Come on, Daisy! And I'm gonna throw it into the bed. I didn't get it, but that's okay. Daisy's gonna go eat it, and she's gonna come back and get more treats. Oh, it's getting hot out here, y'all. I'm in the truck. You wanna see? Yep. That's the old time style. Alright. Daisy! Come on, baby. I threw it past, and she's gonna go get it. I'll find it, and then she'll eat it. We're gonna do this once in a while, every day, so they can get their training. All right, now it's time to give our final treat. Daisy. Daisy, and we're gonna make it in that bed for the championship. Woo! Daisy. Yeah. Right, Daisy. And this is our final one. Daisy. Daisy. Come here, Daisy. Almost done. Alright. We're gonna make it in that bed for the final one. Daisy? 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 Alright. Daisy's here, but you just can't see her. Ready, set, go! Oh, I didn't make it in the bed. You can see where it landed. It's right. Bo's got it. Our winner now. It's time to pronounce the winner. The winner is Daisy. The winner is Daisy. Daisy won the art championship today, and I'm so proud of her. And Bo, you too. I'm really proud of you that you knew where that tree went on the final game and the final tree. So that's our final game tonight, and I hope you enjoyed it. Come on, America.